What's up, y'all? It's Jordan from Norse American Adventures. Today we're at the West Bloomfield Nature Preserve Woods Trail. It's about 2.1 miles. I think only 55 feet elevation gain, probably not even that. It's pretty cold today, below freezing, high winds. So obviously I have my shorts. Better look at the map right here, just about 2 miles with the double loop. It should take about an hour max, so let's head out. Okay, y'all, very crisp day out today. To the left, we got this like low depression marshy area. And then to the right, we got sprawling forest in the fall. So we're just taking this nice wide path. No mud as of right now, so we're lucky. Let's keep going. Sunset is beautiful right now. If you look to our left, you guys are gonna see probably those 2 deer I saw earlier on the path. I'm gonna try and be quiet. There's one. And the other one's right there. There she goes. groupings. Here's a good view of the creek. Just ran right through these woods here. And a nice plane overhead. Pretty murky this time of year, definitely. Just at about the halfway point on the trail right now. Pretty cold. Conditions otherwise not too bad. I got my winter jacket. I got my shorts. So I'll catch back up with the car. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. Very cold. It was very windy, if you can't tell by my hair. It's everywhere. It's been a great hike overall though. Sun was awesome today. We were catching some sunset rays, so that was pretty cool. Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming along, obviously. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so you guys know when new videos come out, and make sure you join us in the next one.